Assalamualaikum. Hi, today I'm gonna do a favorite video, which is the month of April. This is my first favorite for this year. I hope you guys love it. Let's get started. I did feature some of the favorite for this month in my collective haul that I will be linked down below. If you guys want to see it, you can click on the link on the description box. So the first product that I'm gonna feature is the Naruko product. This line is specific for someone that have oily skin and acne prone skin. I found out about this product on YouTube. I forget which video that I saw, but after I tried this one, this is my second bottle and this is my first. I really satisfied with my purchase actually, because it does help to reduce my oiliness and my acne. As I mentioned on the previous video that this year I have like acne on my chin area, which is kind of sucks, so I start to buy back this cleansing, and I start to use back this moisturizer because I stopped using this both product because that time my skin got a little bit clear, so I thought I can try another product. So I think every time I break out, this is my favorite product actually. The balancing moisturizer is in the liquidy form. Some knows that if you have oily skin, you try to stay away from liquidy product, as I'm also. The first times I use it, I really impressed because I apply it, it dries quickly and it does help on my breakout area. I only use this moisturizer at night. At the morning I try to use another moisturizer to have my complexion, all that stuff, but this one I use at night and it does work perfectly because I don't know, like it didn't say it got an SPF or not. It got a SPF or not, so I tried to play safe by using at night. And for the cleansing, it actually is the clay mask and a cleanser in one, so it also doubles up as a mask, but I never use as a mask because I rather use it as a cleanser. You don't have to put a lot, just like this size, and you just apply on your face and you wash it. It's gonna give you a clear, a fresh feeling after you wash with this cleanser. And also it does have like a scrub kind of texture actually.